Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I am right down near the World Trade Center, and I'm in a residential apartment that is in the process of being constructed. Let me walk you around a little bit. So I'm in the great room right now. I'll walk down the hallway. We have the elevator entrance. Kitchen on my right. As I walk down, there's a bedroom here with a bath and closet, laundry room on my left. There's another bedroom here, and that's actually the World Trade Center. Try to get it without the sun. So this is a small bedroom with a bath. Here is another small bedroom with a bath. More views of the Hudson. And let me swing around to the last part. So back to the great room here, and then down here, a couple closets, and then this is, I'd say this is the master suite. So this is probably the master bedroom right here. Here's like a common, this is just a random room. And then back here, we have a bath and then a master bath with a view. So this is what I'm working on today. Thank you for letting me show you around. And if you're ever in need of, whether it's drawings of an apartment or a townhouse or a house, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Once again, thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.